Hi guys, I'm filming this video for doctors, for medicine candidates. Here I'm talking to a patient who is 86-year-old and they have come in to the clinic because of lower back pain. The background information says that the patient uses a walking frame while walking, so they have a very limited mobility and therefore they have been attending the chair exercise classes. The first part of the consultation is gathering information about the back pain, and the second half of the consultation is discussing the treatment modalities for the pain that they have been experiencing. Okay, so let's start now. Good morning, I'm Dr. Priya. I'm one of the clinicians in this clinic.
Okay. Good morning. My name is Miss Smith and I am 86 years old.
Okay, Miss Smith. So can you tell me what has brought you in today?
Well, I have a pain in my back.
I see. Okay. So to get a detailed picture, can I ask you more questions about the pain?
Yeah, certainly yes.
Okay. So exactly where the pain is in your back?
It is actually in my lower back.
I see. Okay. And what kind of pain is it?
Well, I would say it is not exactly a pain, but it is some kind of discomfort which has caused.
Okay. And what seems to have triggered it? Can you recall anything that?
Well, I would say that I am actually not in any kind of pain. Last evening, I had been to my regular classes, chair exercise, and I was perfectly alright. But when I got up this morning, that is the time I got some kind of pain in my back.
I see. Okay. So can I have a look at your back and then we'll go ahead?
Sure.
Okay. So I have seen the back, and based on the examination I did, it seems that this pain has started mainly because of stretching of the muscles, which might have happened during your exercise classes, as you mentioned.
Well, Priya, yesterday I was perfectly alright in the evening, as I mentioned.
Yeah.
And I don't think that is the reason behind it, because I was perfectly alright when I came back home from the classes. This happened only in the morning.
I see. Now what happens is that sometimes there is internal injury to the muscles and it may not show up immediately. So that is why probably you started getting this pain in the morning.
But I think I have been doing these classes since 6 months now. I have never faced this problem earlier.
Okay, yeah, so you're right in this case. Every time it may not happen, but sometimes just because we might have done overstretching of the muscles, this kind of pain can happen.
But honestly speaking, my exercise schedule remains the same. There is no change in the past 15 days. So I'm wondering that how can exercise affect my back?
So that happens because of sometimes because of the age as well. As we age, the muscles become weaker and they easily get tired or fatigued, and that might cause this kind of pain later on once you have completed your exercises.
Well, frankly speaking, my age has never been a barrier. I have been trying and maintaining it well.
Yeah.
But maybe somewhere you might be right.
Yeah, I appreciate your concerns here, Miss Smith, but what happens is sometimes just because of doing over exercises, this kind of pain can happen. We don't realize when we are doing it, but later on we start getting the pain.
That might be a possibility.
Right. So now I will be explaining you what we are going to do for this pain.
Okay.
The first thing is, as I suspect this has been caused due to exercise, so for 1 week I want you to take complete rest from your exercise classes. Is that okay?
1 week? Well, that is too much for me.
Yeah, but that's usually the time that the muscles need for healing. If we continue to exercise, I'm afraid it may lead to further injury to the muscle and the muscle might not heal properly.
Are you sure you want me to skip my classes for 1 week?
Yes, Miss Smith, just for 1 week. And once after 1 week, if we see that your pain has improved, then you might resume them gradually again.
Okay.
And apart from that, for the management of pain that you are having right now, you can use heat pack. It will help to relax the muscles and reduce the pain. And if the pain is not relieved by heat pack, the other thing you can do is taking the medications. I'm giving you the prescription, but try to be wise in using the medication. Try to not overtake the medication.
Are you sure I'll be recovering within a week's time, or do you suggest that I should leave my classes?
No, actually, leaving the classes completely is not advisable. Exercise has various benefits. Like as I mentioned earlier, when you are exercising, it gives you good stretch to the muscles, right? And that would help in strengthening of muscles.
But as such, you advised me that there is a possibility that I am in pain because of the exercise. So now I am in two minds that whether I should continue with the exercise or should I leave it completely.
I can see where this is coming from now, since you realize that exercise has caused this pain. But don't worry, complete rest is not required. Just for 1 week you need to take rest. Once the muscle has healed, you can start doing the exercises again. It would also help you in keeping your energy levels up if you are active. Okay, and the more important thing about going to exercise classes is the opportunity to meet other people, share your experiences with them. So that social part of it is also helpful in managing.
Oh yes, how can I miss that? I have made some real good friends over there. Good, you reminded me that.
Yeah, so basically you have to be careful that you are listening to your body. If there is any pain, if you are tired, that particular day you can stop the exercise class and resume it after a day or two once you start feeling better.
Now I understand. Okay,
Yeah.
it sounds good.
So can you just summarize what I have just explained?
I don't need to exert myself, and if my body is tired, I should skip.
Yes, but you are not supposed to permanently stop the exercise classes.
Yes, doc, I will not do that.
Yeah. Okay. So now next I would like to see you again in 1 week's time, if that is okay.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Please see my receptionist and book the appointment with them.
Certainly, I'll do that.
Okay.